We're going to install an HPLC column into a system using the EXP nut and two-piece ferrule. It has a titanium end and a peak end. So you slide the nut over the tubing. This is the tubing coming from the inlet injector of the HPLC system. You put the titanium end toward the nut, slide it over, and then we're going to select the end of the column. There's usually a directional marker on the column. This is coming from the inlet, so we want to go in this direction. And I'm going to put some pressure on the tubing with my fingers while I tighten and while I start the nut. Because what you're really trying to get is no dead volume between the end of the tubing and the column. Now on the outlet side, do the same thing. Slide the nut over the tubing, the ferrule with the titanium side toward the nut. And again, I'm going to apply pressure to put that so the tubing bottoms out in the bottom of the column fitting. And I'm going to tighten that down, all the while applying pressure. Now this is good for, that's probably good for the, up to 10,000. If you need PSI, if you need to go more, there's a flat spot on the nut. You can apply a wrench, maybe a quarter turn, and it should get you up to 20,000 PSI. Next thing we want to do is we want to put some flow through the column and add pressure. And we're going to check for leaks, either where the tubing goes into the fitting or where the fitting goes into the column at both ends. Check for leaks. If it was going to leak, it would be at the inlet side where the pressure is. After the column, the pressure is low.